It is the premiere launch of my 2026 make-along. Yes, I'm doing another make-along. This make-along will run from January the 1st to June the 30th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Australia. 6 months. Each month, twice a month, I will showcase an item to inspire a project. So what is this make-along about? Well, in January last year, I made something that sort of got this idea kicking around in my head. And then in July, I went to the Beanie Festival in Alice Springs and stopped off in Adelaide to visit Karen. Hi, Karen. Lovely friend and Yarny subscriber to my channel for a very long time. Visiting her, she gave me something and said, why not? And I said, that's really funny because that's the idea I've been kicking around in my head for a make-along. So this make-along is inspired by myself and a lovely subscriber, Karen, in Adelaide. So what is it about? Well, I love to encourage kids to read from a paperback book, not a device. I know it's easy to do a device, but I like to see them with a book in their hands, cuddling up with something that they read while they're reading a book. Now, when my boys were younger, aeroplane noise. One of the most inexpensive outings during school holidays when we were trying to keep them entertained was a trip to the library where they could pick books, bring them home. And there is a section at libraries for crafters. You will find knitting books, crochet books, sewing books. So it is a worthwhile trip to go to the library. So I highly recommend that you enroll your kids, your grandkids into the community library and try it out. These days, it's not easy to find an inexpensive outing to keep the kids entertained during those long breaks from school. So, what is the hashtag? BookBuddyAU. We're going to make book buddies. So on the 1st of January, I'll show you a children's book. Now, the books I hope to show you preferably will be by Australian authors, and you'll get some inspiration from them. Now, a book buddy doesn't have to be a toy. It can be an amigurumi in plushy, cotton, acrylic. You could make squares and put them all together in a book buddy blanket. Kids love to cuddle under a blanket when they're reading. You could make a cushion they can hug when they're reading from squares. Anything you want to make towards this book buddy make along. It's a bit of a mouthful. So twice a month, 1st and the 15th of each month, I'll showcase featuring a children's book by an Australian author, if possible. I do know quite a few market vendors in the Northern Hemisphere make book buddies to sell at their markets, and feel free to make something that is inspired by the book that you plan to sell at your market. It always helps to have a different inspiration for market prep. So you can crochet, knit, sew your book buddy. It doesn't have to be one particular craft. You could paint it. It's up to you. The idea being that you've got someone in mind you plan to give it to. And if you don't, I don't have grandchildren, I can sell them on my market stall, or I can give them away to charity. Or some charities ask me for a little raffle prize. They would make a great raffle prize. There is always someone you can do a random act of kindness with, a book buddy. It's open worldwide to anyone over the age of 18. We will follow all the YouTube policies and guidelines. What I'd like you to do is email me pictures whenever you can, and we'll do a slideshow whenever possible. You can post them in the Facebook group, and you can do them on my community tab, or you can do them on Instagram. Just remember to use BookBuddyAU so I can find them and put you in the slideshow. I do plan to do a participant prize at the end of the make-along. I don't know how much or what I'll do, but to be eligible to go into that draw for that participant prize, you must make at least one attempt of a book buddy, whether it be one square to go to your blanket one of the books. You have made one out of the two. You've made something that is part of the book buddy. So that's 6. In total, we're making 12. Or you can do as many squares as you like. You could do a really great cushion, up to you. But make sure once a month you enter into the book buddy to be eligible to go into the prize draw. I just thought it'd be nice to have a fun little gift at the end. I've stopped doing great big giveaways and prize giveaways because a couple at the end there earlier, maybe end of last year, people weren't happy with what they got or criticized negatively what they got. So whatever the prize will be, it's just something I am going to do. I may even once a month pick someone at random to win a book. You'll find out when I do showcase the book, whether this one's up for draw or whether it's not. So we will jump in on the 1st of January, and the book has been donated by Karen. Now, don't expect all it to be Australian animals, and it's going to be different. I am going to shop around for books that are written by Australian authors that are a little different, so they inspire you. I hope you come and join in the fun and join the make along. It's only like once a month, twice a month if you choose to go full on and have some fun and make something. I really like the idea of making fun squares. I'm not a square person, but fun squares in a blanket or a cushion could be really cute. But kids do love to cuddle something when they're reading a book. One of my sons used to love wearing a beanie, so you could make novelty beanies each month. That would be fun. Okay guys, that is the launch. The make along for 2026 with Witch Piece Craft is BookBuddyAU. Hashtag BookBuddyAU. Let me know in the comments if you plan to join in. Remember, any fibre you want to use, anything you want to make. It doesn't have to be the same thing every month. You can choose whatever your project is. It's to inspire and have some fun, because something my son Reeb said the other day, there doesn't seem to be a lot of laughter in the world. We've become so politically correct and so worried, and there's so much negativity. He said you don't hear people just laughing and having fun anymore. Even the festive season has got a little serious. So let's have some fun in 2026 and laugh along with me at what people make. I know with Tracy, who's not been feeling well, I hope you're feeling better, Tracy, at Travel Crochet. With her traveler's wheel, I tend to step out the comfort zone of what the item is and have some fun and try and make it a bit of a laugh, because we all need to laugh more and have fun. So I will see you on January the 1st with the first book donated by Karen. Stay safe, stay well, and here's to our make along for 2026. Hashtag BookBuddyAU.